Right, students? Let us discuss the question paper, that is assignment of zoology, dated 29/8/2020. Question number 1. You meet a person who has bulging, protruding eyes. Tachycardia means high heartbeat rate and a high body temperature. He is most likely to be suffering from. So, uh, by seeing this question, you can get the answer very easily. That is nothing but hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism leads to exophthalmic goiter, which is nothing but protruding eyeballs, increasing heartbeat rate, that is nothing but tachycardia, and high body temperature because of high BMR. So question number 1, the correct option is 1, and the word is hyperthyroidism. Question number 2, one of the condition is not linked to deficiency of thyroid hormone. First option is cretinism. It is linked to deficiency. Goiter deficiency, myxedema deficiency. Exophthalmosis means protruded eyeballs is not concerned with hypo, it concerned with hyperthyroidism. So we have to go with fourth option, and the name of this disorder is exophthalmosis. Right? Exophthalmosis. That is exophthalmic goiter, protruded eyeballs. Question number 3. Which endocrine gland is essential for metamorphosis of a tadpole? For the metamorphosis of tadpole of a frog into adult frog, which hormone is essential means thyroxine. Thyroxine is a hormone of thyroid gland, and this is given in a second option. The gland name is thyroid. So thyroid hormone from thyroid gland. Question number 4. A man has a IQ equivalent to that of a boy of a 5-year-old. This is due to the deficiency of which hormone? Low IQ is due to deficiency of thyroxine, which leads to cretinism. First option, and it is nothing but thyroxine. Hormone is thyroxine. So due to deficiency of thyroxine in childhood, that leads to cretinism. And in cretinism, even though the age increases, when he will become adult, he gives an appearance of a child, right? That is about the mental ability and the low IQ in cretinism. Then question number 5. The hypocalcemic and hypophosphatic hormone is hormone that can decrease the level of calcium and the level of phosphate in the blood is, that is the question, and it is nothing but given in second option. The answer is TCT, that is nothing but thyrocalcitonin, otherwise called as calcitonin. So TCT full form is a thyrocalcitonin. It is also called calcitonin. It is called a hypocalcemic and hypophosphatic hormone because this hormone collect the calcium and phosphate from the blood and deposit that into bone. Question number 6. The simple goiter is due to. Simple goiter is due to what? It is due to hyposecretion of thyroxine in adult. So it is given in the third option, and the answer is hyposecretion of thyroxine in adult leads to what? Leads to goiter, that is swelling in the neck. Question number 7. The thyroidal suicide is nothing but. Which disorder in the given 4 options is called thyroidal suicide? First is myxedema, it's not. Cretinism, no. Simple goiter, no. The fourth option is right, that is Hashimoto disease. Hashimoto disease. Hashimoto disease is an autoimmune disorder. Our immune system fails to recognize the self antigens. The immune system of our own body think that the thyroidal follicular cells as antigens, starts killing the cells of the thyroid gland. So thyroid gland gradually degenerates and its death occurs. It is called suicidal, thyroidal suicidal, Hashimoto disease, autoimmune disease. Question number 8. Exophthalmic goiter is also called as. Exophthalmic goiter is also called with two names, Graves disease, otherwise Basedow disease. So let us see where these words are given. Question number 8. Graves disease in the first option, Basedow disease in the third option. So fourth option is given both 1 and 3. So one is called as Graves disease. It's also called as Basedow disease. The name Basedow disease to this exophthalmic goiter is given after its discovery by Basedow, right? Name of the scientist on which the name of the disease is given. Question number 9. The TCT is produced by. Thyrocalcitonin is actually produced by what cells? Parafollicular cells of thyroid gland. And that the parafollicular cells of thyroid is given in third option. So the word is parafollicular cells of thyroid can produce this TCT, hypocalcemic and hypophosphatic hormone. Question number 10. Blood level calcium is maintained by. The blood level calcium is maintained by two hormones, calcitonin and thyrocalcitonin. So both of them are same actually. First option given as calcitonin, it is right. Second option is thyrocalcitonin. Third option is both 1 and 2, so we have to go with 3. So TCT, or it is otherwise called as calcitonin. So here both the names are correct. So thyrocalcitonin is also called as calcitonin, right? So this is the third assignment dated 29/8/2020, right?